Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to our factory of Mandala Homes in Batu Village, Regency of Gianyar, on the island of Bali. First, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Komang Yani Arta, the operational manager of Mandala Homes Bali factory. Today, I would like to take you for a short tour to see our factory activity with our professional staff of architect, engineer, and carpenter. But here is our daily activity at the factory. As you see that we currently employed around 22 skillful carpenters with 8 assistant of carpenters. That means our architect in charge is supervising the construction. There is our supervisor for the construction.
Hello, my name is Wahyu. I have degree in interior design from the Udayana University. I am the supervisor of construction. Mainly, I do field work with carpenters, giving the daily direction. I am in charge of maintaining our high quality in workmanship, design, and construction. Besides that, I am in charge of time schedule and cost estimate for each project. I am also responsible for project planning and cost control at the factory.
We are currently working on 4 gazebos and 1 cottage. First is the screen gazebo, good for locations with mosquitoes problems. This is hot gazebos, a hole that cuts in the center of the floor where the hot tub in then inserted. Next is the gazebo long, which will have cushion on the floor and pillows alongside the rails. Then there is the half wall gazebo. The upper half of the wall is screen and the lower half is a solid wall. And here is the jungle kitchen with wrap around the deck and entering to the double doors with the half loft inside. The screen are simply the windows are simply screened, as this building will be built in the side of the jungle forest. And then we could explain that in this building we have combined the Western standard of construction with the beauty of the Balinese craftsmanship that has become famous throughout the world today. One of the ecological wood we use for construction in Bali is coconut wood, which is come from the island of Sulawesi. In northern part of this island, well known as the largest coconut plantations in Indonesia. Our pillars is 8 inches pillars out of coconut wood which is solid logs, and it continues from the ground to the roof to make a strong post. Another ecological wood we use is this blunt colored rubber wood from the latex plantations of Java and Bali. It resembles American white oak in appearance and strength, and is commonly used in furniture in United States. Construction, we use jackfruit wood, which is in Bali very favorite for the carving ornamentations in building. Next, we will meet one of our carver who is working on our pillar base. Here we develop a different system of pillar bases, which is beautiful yet strong. our pillar are made of fine black volcanic sand and cement with built-in stainless steel hurricane strap. As the base dries, it is hand carved into a lotus flower. And now is the time to meet with our professional staff, which is employed at the factory. First, we are going to meet with our master of architectural drawings and his two assistant architects.
Hi, I'm Sanjaya. I have a degree in civil engineering from Mandala University. I'm supervise the AutoCAD drawing production. This includes the drawing, detail drawing, and 3D drawing for the assembled instruction. I'm also responsible for structural engineering and strength calculation of structure. Thank you.
Then, here are our two architects, draftsmen.
Hello, my name is Leo. I have a degree in architecture from Udayana University. I'm performing the computer AutoCAD drawings for our project. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ryan. I have a degree in architectural from Udayana University. Usually, I am performing the computer AutoCAD drawing for our project. Thank you.
Other man stationing here is our visual publishing and promotion director.
Hi, I'm Baseka. I have degree in architecture from Udayana University, Bali. My experience when I work in Amsterdam with International Design of Indonesia delegation on Florida International Agriculture Exhibition. I prepare for material for promotion, and I'm also take photos for during construction and video during the assembly. So I also work with 3D drawing and design plus the hand sketches colors.
Then here is our logistic man in his office.
Hello, I'm Subawa. I have a degree in mechanical engineering from Udayana University, and I have responsibility of the factory needed, such as logistical support material, ordering wood, and assist wood processing and wood treatment on the tank. Thank you.
And close to the logistic man office is our storage room at the factory, where we keep our hand tools, power tools, hardware, and finishing material. And here is my office where I conduct my task for communication, coordination, and finances of the factory. Last but not least is to see our chief of wood processing.
Hello, my name is Rubiaka. I have a degree in mechanical engineering from Udayana University, where I specialize in improving village level kiln system. At Mandala, I coordinate wood processing, which include wood processing treatment, kiln dry, and wood milling.
This is our 20-foot long pressure tank where we use non-toxic borax and boric acid under high pressure to treat our wood against termites, mold, mildew, and fungus. This is the first such system of its kind in Indonesia. We also use the tank as a high-tech vacuum kiln system in the first stage of drying wood. Here is the control room of the pressure tank and vacuum kiln system, complete with pressure pumps, vacuum pumps, mechanical filters, and electronic control. We also test the concentrations of borates in this room. These are the tanks and pools that store the borate anti-termite solutions and measure the amount of solutions going into the wood. This is the gas-fired oven kiln where our wood gets the final stage of kiln drying before milling. And here is some of the milling equipment where our wood is processed, including machine for cutting, planing, milling, sanding, and routering of wood. This concludes our factory tour. We are pleased with our accomplishment of blending the grace and beauty of Balinese architecture with the strength and technologies of Western design. Thank you very much for your kind attention and aloha all of you in Hawaii.